how this is how to make the draw the prototype. First, draw a circle. Second, draw the eyes. They're like oval. And then the mouth. You do a curve and another curve. Stop. The eyes is round, tiny dot, and another round circle. Do not do the same over here. Just color it by black or gray. And color the dot inside with black or gray. And for the teeth, you shade it here and here and do this.
At yung sinabi ni nitong si Basan, si Ricky Battery na meron siyang nakitang weakness ni Manny Pacquiao na isisikreto niya. Whatever that is, yan po kinihintay natin. Manny Pacquiao again. Alright, tukulay, pero hindi pa natin nakikita yung landing ng solid punch from Manny Pacquiao dito po sa ating first and second round. Gina, that's because pagkata ang defensa ni Basan. Pag tinatama na siya rito, hindi masyadong solid, no? Because he's got punches, ha? This is the last of course. Ano yung kanan to Rama? Right hand, yes. That was the right hand, yes, the right. And that starter and set ito kung si Pasok Piran. Pero combination niya, makikita niyo ulit. Yung jab, which looks like more of a straight. And then ayun. That is a knockout. Definitely knockout yun.
Do a circle here and do another curve here and do this.
And ito si Pasok Piran, hindi na malaman kung sa pupunta. No answer. Hasan has no answer for Manny Pacquiao's aggressiveness.
Another circle.
He just is not able to send out all those punches coming from Pacquiao. Grabe ginagawa ni Manny. Talagang tinatrabaho niya yung kanan niya. Hindi ko look at that. Straight after.
Please. And do this. Make sure it's 3. And shade it. And do
and going upstairs again. Si Manny Pacquiao mixing it up. He nails it with that right of this. Alam mo, yun ang body grab yan. Variety dito. You have to give it to Pasal, ha? He's very courageous. Ito, lumalaban pa, no? Sa dami ng mga suspot. Pati na Manny Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao been working out that right of his, trying with that right moving shot. They're trying to master yung right cross dito. This is round number 2. Now, nakita din natin yung mga sumpot ni Manny, hindi naman sa mukha, kundi sa pagiliran din, no? The side of the body. And second warning. Pasal looks like he's going to survive his second round assault. Walang kanan. He wants to make it fighter in preparation for Marquez, Morales, and Varela. But first, he's got to be able to take care of Pasal Pipe Battery. Ito, back dito sa ating back.
Play, no? Do this for the neck. And this.
And Manny Pacquiao getting a good workout dito sa first
Stop.
Makatigil ko naman sabi niya. Saan ka rin nakagulat-gulat? Ito lang itong si Manny na isa free fight tradition na ito free fight. Ang hindi, nakatawa si Manny Pacquiao. Very loose shot. He was very loose before this fight. Very confident. At ito, pinatamahan na naman ng kanan ni Manny Pacquiao.
Naundak yun, anak ng bukit, mana?
Pina-practice niya, no? Ready ka ba?
Do this.
Around that right hand, that you can work at.
So, na lang kung
This.
ikaw, hindi ako ba lumuluto?
Mawala yun na.
Tapos ko, hindi ako marinanak ka, hindi kasi lumuluto. So, na lang.
Go. Say this. Stop.
Ang abot na naman mo, ako yung balis bata. Ang sumugod ka namang windows niya.
Stop.
Delicious instant pasta ready in just 3 minutes. Lysol toilet bowl cleaner cleans 10 times better. La la la
Do
Lysol.
this.
Tapos na ng luto.
Again, sinasabi ko kanina, no? Money should not be frustrated dahil hindi pa niya
Marunong ka maluto, how do I? Lagi ka maluto. Tapos ba? Doors good. Tapos ba kayo? Ay, bibit mo. Yung inanak ko ka. Ilang bibit ay pagsalig. Agol mo yung ginaw. Agol. Kawawa na bibi na. Makapalo na dyan na. Kalibayan na.
Out of the softball stance. So, ayun, tumama. Si Manny Pacquiao. Left. Well, one thing we have to also watch is, baka naman, masunod ko si Manny, nasa dami naman ito. Na binibitawan niya. Sa laban na ito, he's down to patience. So, scheduled for 12 dito. Matibay pa yung malaban. Pero sinabi na Pinito, narinig natin, sabi ni Coach Freddy Ross, we have to go to it, so be it, ano? Kasi sinasabi nila sa kondisyon ni si Manny, dahil
Hindi yan, yung dirinig.
sa kondisyon ni si Manny Pacquiao, that Coach Freddy Ross said, ay, sa Manny Pacquiao, sa katawan ni Pacquiao, sa katawan sa kasi mga kaluhan niya, hindi yan, knockdown at the end of
And now for the left. This, do this, and this has do a ball. There's a long leg.
Napapagsak na siya, napapagsak na niya ng dalawang beses. Wala niya kalaban. Pero nagsasabi naman, si Manny, kakahin itong si Asok na, hindi do siya, no? Ayaw natin i-risk yan. Manny Pacquiao now. Ang sabi nga naman, ano nito? Pacquiao is the second of world champion. Ano na rin, iniiba ng ano na rin,
Wala na.
Another leg here.
Extension na eyelashes.
This.
Ano naman si
This.
Ayaw pa, kabalo.
For the arms.
Kalau saya betul siya
This.
Kung ganun mo na, pagkindi lang, ano si Kultan, damay